So this is not an actual dish by itself, but it's an item that should be in your freezer right now because it's super versatile and can be used in many dishes to enhance flavors such as corn on the cob, sauteed mushroom, pasta, steamed broccoli, and many other applications. Summer is coming up, and grilled corn on the cob brushed with garlic butter sounds pretty delicious to me right now. Besides all that, shelf life is great and will last weeks refrigerated and months in the freezer, but you will go through much faster once you see how easy it is to use. Once you got the butter out of the food processor, let it firm up in the refrigerator for a little bit. Then scoop onto a parchment lined cookie sheet with an ice cream scoop. Freeze for half an hour and then transfer into a plastic container for easy use. Just grab a frozen scoop of butter whenever needed. Super handy to have and super easy. That's what I'm all about. Easy. Hey guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. See you next week.